G'day mate, today we are unboxing a cube which has been out for 2 years, but who cares because it is the GAN Megaminx. Yes, I paid $80 for a Megaminx. Anyway, without further ado, let's begin. The cube comes in a beautiful box with a simple sliding locking method. As for the Megaminx itself, you will find it in a unique spherical case of transparent plastic. Along with this, it also comes with accessories such as a typical GAN tensioning system, a small drawer bag to keep the Megaminx in. On to the turning features of the puzzle now. The corner cutting on this cube is outstanding, being able to turn at tight angles and without twisting corners, a huge benefit in speed cubing terms. The magnets in this cube work perfectly, with strong attraction and stability apparent in every turn. Like all GAN products, the interior is a honeycomb design. I really don't know what that does, but it is pretty much synonymous with GAN and I guess has some good effect on the speed. As for the actual speed of the cube, unlike my previous Megaminx, the X-Man Galaxy V2M, the layers themselves felt heavy and somewhat annoying to turn, a quality emphatically not present in the GAN Megaminx. The layers turn smooth, and the quietness won't just help me, but protect me from my parents getting annoyed at the standard loudness of other puzzles in my collection. The colors on this cube personally stand out for me. Each side of this Megaminx has a perfect tone and may well be the most visually appealing Megaminx on the market at the moment. Despite all this, the main feature that this puzzle has, unlike others, is the concave corners, an idea which I am a massive admirer of. It assists with gripping the cube, giving a place for your fingers to rest, and people who hold the cube, it is furthermore essential to the stability of the cube. Alright, and along with this, the cube is light, exceptionally light. As a person who solves on the table, I still am a kid, this cube may just fit into my hands. Whenever I attend a competition, I'm requested to scramble the Megamixes, and some are heavy, some are big,